Hello, this video is going to go over how to install the Zoom app on your Chromebook, as well as place a test call. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser. Then, navigate to zoom.us/test. On the next screen, click the blue Join button to join the test meeting. Since this device did not have Zoom by default, I'm prompted to install by clicking on Install from the Chrome Web Store. Once there, I'm going to click on the Add to Chrome button. The next window gives us more details on what permissions Zoom has, but click Add App when you're ready. Once the installation is complete, the Zoom app will automatically launch and prompt you to enter a name for the test call. Make sure you use names that you go by on rosters or school documents. Also make sure that neither checkbox underneath is checked, as they disable your audio or your video, or both. Next, click Join, and you'll be asked to join the meeting with or without video. I'm going to join with video. Once that connection is established, you'll be brought into the test room with your video and audio feed. Congratulations, you've successfully established your first call on Zoom.